My name is Cosmas Mutuku. I come from the Archdiocese of Nairobi, and attending this strategic planning workshop for the Kenya we desire in this LCMC, it has been quite impactful. It has been 2 days of intense program whereby we've interacted with people with diverse experiences and who have done research on the importance of building the Kenya we desire together. It's amazing how the research has shown so many cases of corruption. While we are digging into corruption issues and integrity issues in our country, the reports are overwhelming. The reports are very devastating. But then it is also a question on how are we placed within that space? How better can we improve? And therefore, through these numbers that have been quoted, it has been clearly stated. And what we understand, it is important that we be engaged. We do not just be by standards or just partakers from the side, but then we be involved in the governance, in the accountability issues of our nation, because the faith interacts together with the government operations, and that is to do with accountability and also to do with the leadership. Children are nurtured from their homes. Yes, they spend so much time in schools and all that, but at the same time, parents have an indispensable responsibility and a duty to form their children, to be present to their children, to accompany their children, to teach them morals, principles, and values that will enable them to go out and stand out of the world and in the pressure. Because one thing that for me was very shocking is the influence that or the falling into the space of corruption that seems like a daily norm, young and old, to realize what role they have to play while nurturing their children to be able to become responsible citizens of this country and also for the kingdom of God. And therefore it is a call and important for all of us to be aware that the change that we desire to see and the Kenya we desire to see, it begins with us. It begins with me, and I am to play a part actively in building that Kenya for the future generations, making their times better than ours. Thank you.